Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today guys, I told you I'm back in Tortola. I have to do a lot of cleaning and stuff and organizing, and I decided to take some heat from some other YouTubers with organizing my food storage containers, right? I have never done this before, to be honest with you, right? I just would like put the containers in my cupboard. Sometimes I'll put the covers on the containers, on the respective containers, but what I found is that that takes up a lot of space, and I never really had it in a bin like this. So I decided I will do this little project today to get my my containers organized. So let me show you what I did to get it to this particular stage. So this is my stash of food storage containers that I washed out each one. Wash out the cover. Jeez, I didn't even know I had so many containers, and it's quite a lot, and this took me a while to get all this done, maybe about 45 minutes to an hour to get all this done. So I'm going to dry them out and make sure each bowl has a cover, and start to put them in the bin. So this is my bin that I'll be putting the containers in. So let me show you. I already wiped out the containers. I dried them and everything. So let me show you the containers that I have sorted out and ready to pack in this particular bin. So these are all my containers. I wiped them out and I sort them out, and I just made sure that each container has a cover, right? If there's a cover without any corresponding container, I'll throw it at cover, and vice versa. If there's a container without any corresponding cover, I'll throw it at container. And I made sure that everything is not broken or anything like that. I want all my containers to be in good top shape. So here they are. So what I used to do before, I used to take the containers and cover them, so I make sure when I pick up a container I have the corresponding cover. But that, thinking about it, that takes up space. So basically, watching other videos and what other people are doing, I'm going to store them in the bin just like this and see how that works out for me. So here I go. So I think that's basically it. As you can see here, what I did was I put the corresponding covers for the containers inside the containers itself, so I know when I pick up the stash of containers, I'll have the appropriate covers in that particular set, so I won't have a problem to find them, to find the covers, because that used to be an issue for me as well. I pick up the container and I can't find the corresponding cover to go with it. So this is the final thing. I'm done with this particular project. As you can see here, I have some odd containers here. These are some miscellaneous containers, that just odd ones that I have that I'm not going to throw out. They are still good and I'm going to keep them. I just put them here, and the corresponding covers are right here so I can find them easily. And I think I'm done here. I have some bottles. I bought some coconut oil, and the bottles are so good. I just love to keep them, but I was trying to keep it in here, but I don't think I have enough space. Maybe I'll figure out something later on. So that's it for today for this project. I really enjoyed doing it, even though it's a lot of work to just wash these containers and get them clean, but it's all worth it. So I'll just take this bin and put it in my cupboard, and I'm good to go. When I want to get a container, I'll just pull out this whole bin, take what I want, and put it back in the cupboard. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And if you have any suggestions for this particular project, please feel free to let me know. I am open to any suggestions. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.